1 year ago, another war started, not in Ukraine, but in Israel. And it's still going on, yes. Today, exactly 1 year, October the 7th, Hamas has killed a lot of people in Israel. And yeah, as you know, there's a retaliation of the Israelis. So they bombed Gaza, they bombed Lebanon, and more than the people are killed, more than the Israelis are killed. Yeah. Anyway, welcome back. Today it's Monday, October the 7th, 2024. Not so good news today because we have 3 regular puzzles. Only 3 regular puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 stars, and the binary. No extra puzzles. Let me show you. No additional. So only 3 puzzles. Yeah. Yeah. No extra puzzles. Alright. Let me start with the first one. The 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku number 9394. 9394, and before I start I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 2 digits more. Should be a 1 star puzzle. I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars by the publisher, so for a 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Is this a 1 star or a 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Let me see, which number can I pick? How about the 6 in the last row, the 6 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 9966. Need a 5 here, need a 3 there, 8, need a 8 here, need a 8 there. Yes. In this big square we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. Well, in this big square, let me do this one first. 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 should be in one of these 3 boxes in this row. So we have 8 in one of these 3 boxes in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. We need an 8 there, and we need an 8 here. Alright. And then 3, 4, 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there, 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column between, the only place left, the 2 should be there. 3, 7, 5, 3, 7, 5, okay. Let me see. 7. Alright. 4 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. We see another 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6. 6, 6. 6, 6. Well. 3 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing numbers in the middle row is the number 1. We have 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in the middle row. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in the middle row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 5, 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5, 5. Well, here could be a 5. Then need a 4, need a 7, 7, need a 9. Only one, no, 2 9s. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 3 should be there. Need a 3 there. Well, in this column we need a 3. These 2 boxes can be 3 because we have 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box level 3 in this column should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next, so that column the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the last row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 7 and a 5. 7 and the 1. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers to 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers to 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6 and 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in the last column for number 1. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7 is missing. 6 and a 7. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 5 and a 9. 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 9 goes and there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row, so in the third row. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the third column. 3 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the last row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. These 3 missing numbers in the last row are the numbers the 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 2, 5, 9. Well, we have 5 in this column, no 5 there. We have 5 in the third column, no 5 there. So the only place level 5 should be there. So the 2 and the 9 are left here as a pair. Need a 1, need a 7, and I need a 4 here. 1, 7, 4. 4, 4. Okay, need a 4, need a 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 4 and the 9. 9, 4 and 9. 4. 2 numbers left. Oh, wait. 2, 9 and the 4. 2, 9 and the 9 and the 4. 9 and the 4. Come on. 9. Need a 9 here. Come on. But the 8 then. 8. Need 8 there. 8, 4 and a 9. Need a 5. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. I need a 9 here. 9, 1, 9 and the 7. I need a 7 here. Need 7 there. 2, 1, 4, 1, 4, 9, 1, 4, 9. 1, 4, 9, 1, 4, no. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. Come on, come on. With all the threes, all the fives, but the ones. 1, 1, 1, 1. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. I'm thinking. Come on, come on. Yeah. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column, so the fifth column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in the second row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in the third row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Need an 8 here, need an 8 there, need 8 here. 9, 9. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. We see another 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column, so the third column, no. Oh, I've already marked those 2 boxes earlier, the 2 and the 9. We have a 2 now in the first column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9, 9. Need a 2 here, and I need a 2 there. 1, 4, 9. 1, 4, 9. 1, 4, 9. 1, 4, 9. Come on. 1, 4, 7. 1, 4, 7. Need a 4 there. 4 and the 9. 4 and the 9. 4, 9 and the 8. 6, 3 and the 7. Let me put some numbers. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9 here. Also 4 and a 9. And I need a number here. The 8 should be here. Here. 3 missing numbers. 1, 4, and the 9. We have a 9 here, so the 9 could be here, could be there. The 1 and the 4 could be everywhere. Need a 9 here also. Come on. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row, so third row, only 3 places left. 7 should be here, or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 could be here, could be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. The 1 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 7 is missing. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 could be here, could be there. The 4 and the 9 could be. Oh, we have a 9 in this row. So, no. We already have a 9. 1 and a 4 are missing here. 1 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 could be here, could be there. And the 1 could be everywhere. 9 in this row. 9 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. 9, 1, 7. 9, 1, 7. 9, 1 here. Here, 1, 9, 7 here. Need an 8 here. Need a 1. Yeah, we need a 1 in this big square. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in this column. 1 in the middle column. So the column next. The only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here. Could be there. 8, 3. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 or a 4. We have a 1 now, so this box should be a 4. So the 1 and the 9 are left. 1 and the 9. 4 and the 9. Okay. 8, 4 and the 9. 4? 4, 9, and 8. Okay. How about need a 2 also here? 2 in this row, 2 in the second row, from the third row. Only 3 places left of the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 could be here, could be there. 1 box left in the second row for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left. 4 could be here, could be there. So here can be 4, 8 or the 9 could be here. How about here? 7, 2, 9, 7. 7, 2, 9, 7. 8, 9, 7. 8, 9, 7. 9. Here can be 9. Could be 9. Come on, come on, come on. Mark those 2 boxes early with a 4. We have a 4 in the second column, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. So the 1 and the 7 are left. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 4 and a 9, we have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 and a 9, we have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes early with a 1. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 9. 1 box left in this row for number 9. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column TV in the middle column, the only place left for the 9 should be there, and I've eliminated here the 7, so the 7 should be there. I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 8 and the 4.
Hey, kijk jongen.
Yes. Tot later. Huh? Nee, ik zit er nog. Maar ik zie het... oh nee. Ja, thanks. Tot zo. Almost finished. 4 and the 8. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left 8 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 7 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, not faster than 50 minutes, so I'm not pleased. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.